Welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about Varshida success story. So we are so excited to announce because she got one of the good MNC Accenture. She got a job as a software engineer developer. Okay, so 2023 passed out BCom non-IT. So now she got a job as a IT. She is going to share the experience. Let's see the video.
Hi, my name is Varshida Idimadakala. I have completed my undergraduate in the stream of BCom Computer Applications at the year 2023. After my graduation, I came to Besant Technologies, Martalli for taking full stack Python course. Later on completion of my course, I got placed in a well-reputed company, Accenture, as a software engineer. So I want to thank all my mentors and especially Karthik sir for giving me incredible support and for learning and improving my skills more. Finally, thank you so much Besant Technologies for this opportunity. Thank you.